Hello guys, you are welcome to image filling and color separation tutorial for today. This is Graphics Kingdom. Now let's get started with choosing an image. Let's fill the entire image. Go to plus, media, the image should be in PNG. Let's fill it. Okay, it's under downloads. Let's choose this home plus. You can see now that this image is black. Okay, it's black. Let's fill it. So to do that, if you just come here, come to the image, for example, go to color and fill and choose the color, you see it's not there. So go back, go to the image and go to effects, add effects. Then let's type something, type color. Let's see what, okay. Here we have solid fill, standard settings. Wow, you see it's blue already. Here is color, so you choose the color, you touch this one. You can choose any color. You see, you have filled it already. Very simple. Next now, I want to show you how to separate color of an object, of an image, Like this image, let's choose an image. Let's choose this one. Okay. Choose this image. Let's resize it. Okay. Now let's see how we can remove this dark color here and change it to this blue color. Okay. Now let's do that. Let's touch the image. Then go to effects. Add effect. Then let's also type color. Then replace color. Standard settings. Replace color. Let's touch the red. This red is for the color we want to replace. So you pick the eyedropper pen here. Then you touch it like this. Oh, it's blue already. This is the new color blue under. So you touch the blue and you change it. You can change it to red. You can change it to, to any color you want to change it to. Or you can use an eyedropper pen and select the color you want to change it to. That's how you replace. So let's replace another color. Let's replace okay, this one, let's change it to another color, not that blue. To this color. Then let's change let's change another color. Effect, add effect. Replace color. This is the second one, not the first one. The first one is what we have replaced. So let's touch the second one, touch this red and touch the eyedropper pen. Let's choose this color. Then let's replace it with something like this. Nice. So you can use these thresholds to increase it or to reduce it to 0. When you reduce it to 0, you no longer see it, but if you increase it small, nice. So that is how you change the image color if it is PNG, or if the image has different color, that's how you change the different colors to another color of your choice. If you like this video, kindly subscribe for more and click on like. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you will have it. Bye.